How to enable or disable link to Windows, detect your nearby PC devices on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connected devices. In here, tap on link to Windows, tap on the left hand side panel. And then we go down to the app settings section. In here, tap on detect your nearby devices. Tap on that, and here say permission request to locate nearby devices. So tap on open settings. And then we tap on permissions. And then we go down and tap on nearby devices. Then tap on allow. Then tap on the back key. And now we can toggle these settings on or off. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.